Welcome to the Exumas. This morning we visited Norman's Cay plane wreck. This plane was owned by drug smuggler Carlos Leader. He owned half of Norman's Cay from 1978 to 88 and used it as a hub to move drugs from South America into the United States. Rumor has it that his plane was shot down by the DEA, but it actually crashed during a routine landing, and now it's home to hundreds of fish. We took the dinghy up the west coast of Hawksbill Cay in low tide. We thought this would be a good opportunity to take Bella for a walk. We hiked through Hawksbill Cay, taking us through the jungles and to beautiful vistas. We then rewarded Bella with some water in our convenient travel dish. A swim in the crystal clear Bohemian waters can't be beat. On the way back to Bella Vista, we saw some amazing sea life up close. Clusters of tropical fish that occupy the colorful reefs of the Exumas. A large 8-foot spotted eagle ray with a gorgeous pattern. The sheer size of these creatures is truly incredible. A large nurse shark cruising the seabed for dinner. A southern stingray coasting down the beach. Exploring the protected reefs of the Land Sea Park allows us to see the magnificent marine life that fills our oceans. This green sea turtle appeared to be about 200 pounds and was very friendly when we snorkeled alongside him. These prehistoric creatures can live over 100 years. Back at home on Bella Vista, we were greeted by our curious four-legged friend. All of these sightings has made us appreciate how secluded and beautiful the islands of Bahamas really are.